let's see how to tune the violin. There are 4 strings basically. Thinnest is the 1, then 2, then 3, then the thickest is the 4th one. Each string is wound to a peg over here, that's this one, and a screw over here. This screw is for minor tuning or minor tuning adjustments, whereas the bigger one here, the peg, this is for the major tuning adjustments. And whenever I am changing the pitch of certain string, I have to see that I am rotating the peg over here and I am rotating the screw here connected to that string. So for any increase in the pitch, you are going to rotate the peg as well as the screw in the clockwise direction. And if you are doing that in the anti-clockwise direction, then the pitch or the frequency is going to go down. Say you know Carnatic music, then open the Jalra app, set the tune on the top as E and play it. It is going to play. Now, pluck it. Pluck the string. Say I am plucking the string number 1, which is the thinnest. And using my knowledge, I am synchronizing it with the sound that is coming out of my Jalra. And I am adjusting the screw. So, only those who are well versed with the Carnatic music will be able to do it. Otherwise, what I'll be doing is, I'll go to the other app, which is known as the tuner, where whenever I speak, I am opening the tuner, and you can see whenever I am speaking, there is a frequency variation over here, and the frequency is denoted here. So what I'm going to do now, for the first string, I need 496. I'll keep it in front of me. I'll pluck the first string. I need 496. It is not showing 496. It's showing some other frequency. Say, what is the frequency when I pluck? It is showing something around 390. So what I should do now, since the difference between 390 and the 490 is larger, I'm going to rotate the peg because it is a major tuning adjustment. If it is 10 to 20 hertz difference, then I'm doing it here. So it's 490. Bringing to 490 will be difficult using the screws because they have the limitation. So I'm tightening it here, and while tightening, I'll keep it plucking. And while tightening also, you have to see that you are not tightening it much, because if you tighten it much, then the string can break. Okay, so while tightening, I am plucking it and I am checking the frequency. When it is something around 490, I am going to stop. I am going to do the rest of the frequency adjustments over here. So for each pitch for the violin, say E, all the 4 strings will have a particular set of frequency. Okay, I'm going to tell you that. So if you are a beginner and if you have to set a violin, if it is the Tanpura Droid, I have already told you how to do this. If you are using the tuner app, then the first string will be almost around 495, plus or minus 3 or 4 will work. The second one will be 332. Third one will be 246. The fourth one will be 164. This is what you have to do. You have to set all the strings and then you are ready to play.